Hi! In the last video I showed you how to start a free 10-day trial with widgets in the Sportradar Store. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use our free Journalist Assistant tool to insert widgets into your editorial content. The first thing you need to do is go to the My Products page in the store. You can access that here. You'll see the widget you have available down here, and up here is a link to the Journalist Assistant. In this page, you can either log into the Journalist Assistant if you already have an account, or click here to create an account linked to your store account automatically. Clicking here, you'll see you'll need to enter in some more information, so I'll go ahead and enter in a fake name and last name. You should probably use your real ones. And a password. When you're ready, you can go ahead and create an account. The first screen you'll see after creating an account gives you a link to the technical setup page that you can share with your technical partners to help integrate the widgets into your articles. For any page you want to integrate these widgets on, you'll need to insert a script in the bottom of that page. If you click on the technical setup link, you can find that script here. I'm going to go ahead and copy it to my clipboard. And then I'll switch over to an article in the CMS of the store where I can insert this script into an HTML module right there. You might want to do that a different way, but that's how I'm going to do it for the purpose of this demo. Coming back to the Journalist Assistant page, I want to go back to the home where you can see a nice search bar that allows you to search for teams, players, matches, whatever it is you want to find. You can see how that looks here, looking for any players and things like that, but that's not what I want to show you right now. Right now I want to go to this Euro 2020 qualifying games and take a look at the England-Kosovo match, which is what my sample article is talking about. Here you'll be able to see the different widgets that you have trial or purchased, as well as widgets that you could potentially have access to if you wanted to add more. I'll click on the head-to-head one here to see how it looks, and that looks pretty good to me. I think I want to insert that into my article. I want it as a modal, but I also have options inline and tooltip. Coming back to my sample article, I'm going to take this bit of text here and use the Journalist Assistant link for that text. I'll insert that into my article, and the output is a link that looks like this, and when it clicked on, it brings up the modal. So that's one way to add widgets to your article. But there's a new feature in the Journalist Assistant that can analyze text and insert widgets automatically into the article. I'll show you how that works with this bit of text here. If I go back to the Journalist Assistant tool, I can see this beta feature here, Auto Context. If I click on that, I'll see a place to paste my article. I'll paste it in there, and I'll go to the Extract menu here. With the density, I can decide how many widgets should be used in the article. I'm going to leave that on the max amount that they can find. I can ask them to either tag the entities or tag them and populate the widgets. I want a few widgets to show up automatically, so I'm going to keep it as populating the widgets. And then I can determine the text, language, and the display. I'm going to leave it as a tooltip. I'll press Run right here, and I can see that the widgets are inserted automatically. I can view them if I want to pop up over here. But I'm just going to go ahead and paste that, copy that actually, and then paste it into the article. And you can see the links appear. When I go back to the article, I can see I still have this modal that will appear if I click on it, but now I have these tooltips that will open up a player if I hover over that player's name. And this is a nice way to insert content into your article automatically. Back in the Journalist Assistant tool, the last thing I want to show you is how to include a widget inline in your article. And for that, I'll select the inline option over here. I'm going to choose the Match Info widget. Let me just take a quick preview of that. Yeah, it looks good to me. Copy it to my clipboard. I'll go back to the article here and paste that as a link right there in that line of text. If I take a look at the article, compared to when we first started, there's a lot more going on, a lot more to keep your audience engaged. We have our modal here that can show me statistics on demand. We have the tooltips here that will show me when I'm hovering over that object. And the inline widget, complete with advertising integration down here. You can see how easy it is to insert widgets into your articles using Journalist Assistant, and we hope you give it a try. Thanks.